Now, India's battery manufacturing ambitions have cleared another important checkpoint. And of course, before we move on to the rest of the details as far as the story is concerned, here is another checkpoint which I just thought I'll flag for all of you. Did you know, and we also realized, and we were quite shocked, that only 82% of our viewers have not subscribed to the channel? Well, honestly speaking, it truly motivates us when you do so. Doesn't take you too much time, but it means the world to everyone here working tirelessly on Front Page. Thank you so much for your kind support. Now, Amara Raja, his advanced cell technologies, has inaugurated its customer qualification plant at the company's Giga Corridor in Telangana. It is a 500 crore rupees investment that's part of a much bigger, larger 9,500 crore rupees, 16 gigawatt hour factory development program. Now, the facility starts with an initial capacity of 60 megawatt hours and will employ more than 100 people. Its job is actually right now lying between the lab and the factory floor, where lithium-ion cells get manufactured in both cylindrical and prismatic formats. Now, the infrastructure is reconfigurable by design, letting original equipment manufacturers test, validate, and approve sample cells. Now, this is done under conditions that, well, mirror future commercial production before the company commits to building out full high-volume lines. Now, this plant is actually a core piece of Amara Raja's Phase 1 investment in the corridor, which now exceeds 1,500 crore rupees in total. Now, the first cell batches are scheduled to go out to automotive and industrial clients for formal validation starting in August of 2026. There is also, by the way, a Giga Corridor set to be built in Telangana's Mahabubnagar for a 10,000 crore rupees battery plant. The 262-acre facility will feature 16 gigawatts of cell manufacturing capacity, 5 gigawatts of battery pack production, and 60 megawatts pilot-scale CQP line for advanced cell developments. It would be a huge step, according to us, towards India's EV and energy storage ambitions. But the real purpose of this facility is actually to build operational experience before, well, the big development comes to the limelight. Amara Raja's first full commercial cell manufacturing site, called Giga One, a 2 gigawatt hour plant that's on track to begin production next year. Now, everything learned running this qualification plant is meant to feed directly into that very transition. Amara Raja's co-founder and chairman, Jayadev Galla, framed the effort around building a domestic battery ecosystem at a moment when, well, international energy supply chains are starting to transform and shift. And here, of course, comes the front page take. Now, that point of view given by Mr. Galla is essential because, well, a qualification plant is the stage where a company proves to real customers that its cells actually work at scale. Now, this happens under real production conditions before betting hundreds of crores on full commercial lines. So, well, as always, here is the question I have for all of you watching. Now, does India's battery manufacturing push succeed by moving fast to commercial scale, or by companies like Amara Raja taking this more deliberate, customer-validated route first? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.